Greetings. Welcome to the Sacramento City Unified School District's High School Specialty Program application process. This tutorial will take you through the necessary steps to complete the registration process. From your computer, please go to the Sacramento City Unified School District's website at www.scusd.edu. Once there, scroll your cursor over to the parent-student icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, click the Enroll icon. Focusing on the left side of the web page, scroll down until you see High School Specialty Program Application. Now click on that selection. You should now be at the High School Specialty Application screen. Just a few bits of information before we proceed. If you reside in the SCUSD school district boundaries, but currently attend a private school or another school not in our district, you will have to pre-register. Notice the dates for pre-registration is from November 3rd through December 4th, 2020. You can click on the pre-registration in the box on the right. Depending on the program you choose, you may have to submit school transcripts and test scores. They can be dropped off in our Enrollment Center lobby drop box Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., no later than December 4th, 2020, barring any holidays. Now getting back to the current page, you can click on the Specialty Programs link here to see what schools and programs are participating and what grade they are accepting. You can also click on the requirements for each specialty program link to see what each programs require. It is important to remember that the application acceptance window is open from November 16th through December 17th, 2020. No late applications will be accepted. Now let's click on the Apply Here button, highlighted in green, to get started. You are now at the High School Specialty Program Application Student Validation Login screen. Click in the first box to the left. This is where you will enter one of the following. If you are a current Sacramento City Unified School District student, enter your student email here. If you are a pre-registration student, enter the email you used to enroll here. Now click on the second box to the right. Enter the birth date of your student, the 2-digit month, the 2-digit day, and the 4-digit year. Now click on the Validate Login button. Now we're at the application page. Verify that the student information is correct. If the student information is not correct, please email Lisa Lewis at lewisl@scusd.edu, and she will respond and help you. On the box, on the left with the up and down arrows. Click and scroll to the desired program choice. If you make a mistake, scroll back up to the Select a Program and start over. Note, you must make at least one program selection. You can also select a second program in the case you are not selected for your first program selection. Please note, you are not required to make two selections. Only make a second choice if you have a second program you are interested in. In the case, you do not get selected for your first program choice. Now take a look at the school information section. Please check yes only if your parent is employed at your first or second program selection. We will verify employment. If not employed, please check no. In the special education section, check whether you are currently receiving special education services and/or have a 504 plan currently in place. Note, any information provided regarding a student's special education or disability is solely for the purpose of promptly providing required accommodations and does not exclude any student from an open enrollment lottery. Lastly, in the additional applicant information section, please explain in detail the ways you are well suited to the program goals and in what ways this program will support your life goals. When finished, please click on the Submit Form button. And thank you for your interest in the Sacramento City Unified School District's high school specialty programs.